I did my undergrad in computer science engineering back in India. That's where my passion for data began. I got to know that Northeastern offers data analytics engineering program, which was perfect for me to learn more about data while also working on my startup venture. I've had the pleasure of working with the real-time projects during my courses. One of the courses that I've taken was data management for analytics, where I was able to work on real-time data, which helped me to understand how the data works in real world, not just at the classroom. That has immensely helped me in getting a co-op at Autism Health and also at Amazon. I worked at Autism Health as a data scientist co-op, where I got to learn more about how data can be used in real world application, especially in healthcare, and how it truly impacts people. I've had the pleasure of working on data, including front end and back end, being able to use all of my skills that I've learned so far in my life, be it technical, entrepreneurial, or people skills, and being able to put it in real world during my co-op was truly a game changer for me. I'm currently working at Amazon as machine learning data associate in their artificial general intelligence team, where I'm able to work on their key data, being able to use the skills that I've learned during my time at Northeastern University to engage with my co-workers or the key stakeholders is truly remarkable. All these opportunities at Northeastern University have helped me to become not just a well-rounded student, but also a well-rounded human, I would say. It has been one of the most fulfilling experiences that I've had in my professional career so far.